Hey peeps, I'm coming at you this afternoon with my favorite roasted vegetable recipe. So I'm going to be using some yellow squash, a zucchini, and some fresh cilantro, along with some of my favorite seasonings, lemon pepper, and I use that stuff on everything. I'm also going to be using some McCormick's garlic ranch seasoning as well. I actually really love that. First rule for preparing is to wash your hands and cleanse them thoroughly for at least 20 seconds. And then I get to washing the vegetables. I'm sorry I wasn't able to display that this time. But after I cleanse the vegetables, I like to start slicing the squash. And once I get to the end, I end up just cutting it into chunks. And then for the extra large pieces, I'm just going to cut them in half because I'm trying to spread them out evenly and I don't want large pieces of the roasted vegetables. So I'm going to cut them in halves. Same rules apply for the zucchini. I'm just going to cut off the ends and I'm going to get to slicing the zucchini again, cutting off the end into big chunks. Same rules apply. And again, I'm just going to cut some of the larger pieces in half. Please excuse my chopping not being fully into the shot, but at this point I'm just going to start chopping and shredding up some of the cilantro, and I'm trying to make it as fine as possible. So now I'm going to combine my vegetables and just saturate them with some extra virgin olive oil. Now it's time to layer them on a baking sheet. I put foil underneath there just for added protection. I'm just going to spread them out evenly. And we can't forget the onions. So I'm just going to chop them up into chunks and separate them. I don't need a lot of onions, I just like to garnish them a little bit along with the cilantro. So now I'm just going to add my onions. And like I said before, just a little bit of onions. I'm just using it as a garnish. Then I'm going to spread my cilantro over the vegetables as well. So now it's time to add my favorite seasoning, which is the garlic ranch. And now my lemon pepper seasoning. I'm just going to give the veggies a nice toss and continue to spread them out. Add some more seasoning. And voila, there you have it. I have preheated the oven to 400 degrees. And now we're just going to add our tray of veggies to the oven. And then we're just going to let that bake for 30 minutes. Time's up. So now I'm just going to remove them from the oven and just let them rest and settle for a few minutes. I didn't make a whole lot of veggies. It's just a snack for me, so a little goes a long way. Alright guys, so here are my roasted veggies. Yum, they are so good. And you can use any vegetables with this recipe. I just choose these because they're my favorite as a snack. So I want to thank you again guys for joining me. Please like, share, subscribe, and take care out there, peeps.